Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the text bigger and bolder on your device in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First things first, let's head over to the Settings app on your device. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Display and Brightness and tap on it. On the Display and Brightness screen, you'll see an option labeled Text Size. Tap on that. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find an adjustment slider. To increase the text size, simply slide it to the right. You'll see the text on the screen change in real time, so you can find the perfect size for you. Next, go back to the previous page, the Display and Brightness screen. You'll see a toggle next to Bold Text. If you want to make the text look darker and more defined, turn this toggle on. If you prefer the regular text weight, just leave it off. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully made the text bigger and bolder on your device. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.